In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Bybit to another wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing that you're going to do is open up and log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll drop a link down below in the description, and by using my link, you'll get up to $30,000 in rewards and welcome bonuses. After you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to come down right here to the bottom right hand of the screen and click on this wallet icon or assets. And from here, you're going to select the account that you have your funds in, which would be the funding or the unified trading account. For this example, I'm going to select funding. From here, you're going to see a couple options to deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, and giveaway. Since we want to send Bitcoin from Bybit to another wallet, we're going to go right over here and click on withdraw. And from here, you're going to find Bitcoin in this list of crypto, or you could just simply search for it in the search bar up top. Type in BTC and click on Bitcoin. And from here, we're going to have to fill out this information, starting with the address. And for that, I'm going to open up and log into my Trust Wallet account. You can use whatever wallet that you want to use. But for this example, we're going to use Trust Wallet. And since we want to send Bitcoin from Bybit into this wallet, we're going to go right over here and click on Receive. And next, we're going to look for Bitcoin out of this list, or just search for it in the search bar if it doesn't show up for you. Tap on Bitcoin, and this is going to bring up Bitcoin deposit address for Trust Wallet. We're going to go right over here and tap on these two squares to copy it. Go back into Bybit, and we're going to paste in the address we just copied right here under address. Next, we're going to select the network, and the network would be BTC. And right here, we're going to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that we would want to send into our Trust Wallet account. Or if you want to send all of it, you just tap on max. Right here, it'll show the fee that you're going to have to pay for your withdrawal. Make sure your address and your network is correct. And after you've confirmed everything is correct, you're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand of the screen and tap on withdraw. Confirm the transaction on the next page. And that's how to send Bitcoin from Bybit to another wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.